XRP Army, what do they know that we don't? Over 50 whales, okay? 50 whales recently in the past month have amassed 420 million XRP accumulating. That is what the XRP whales are doing. We're going to dive into some of the specifics here behind this in this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel right here. If you're new here, my name's Zach. Talk about cryptocurrency every single day on the channel, talking about a ton of different altcoins, Bitcoin, macroeconomic factors. We've got you covered right here every single day, multiple videos. We don't miss a day, whether it's my birthday, Jesus's birthday, your birthday. We're here. We're here every single day breaking down what's happening in the cryptocurrency market. But right here, right now, over 50 whales have amassed 420 million XRP in the past month. These whale addresses, which hold between 10 million and 100 million XRP, recently added to the Ripple network. Investors are trooping into XRP, Ripple's native token, as up to 50 whale addresses holding between 10 million and 100 million have been added to the Ripple network in the past month. Yes, that is what you think it is. Those are new addresses, okay? Prominent crypto analyst Ali recently called public attention to the bullish pattern, citing data from Sentiment, a market intelligence resource. Over the past month, 50 whales holding 10 million to 100 million have joined the Ripple network. These are new whales. Large investors purchased around 420 million XRP. That number worth 155.4 million. The sentiment chart reveals that the number of whale addresses holding from 10 million to 100 million XRP started seeing a massive uptick between February 21st and February 23rd. Before this sharp increases, whale addresses were a little above 116 in number. However, following the rapid surge, they grew to a peak of 176 before seeing a slight drop. This figure marks the highest value witnessed throughout this year. That means more and more people, not just normal people, we're talking about big money people, are buying and accumulating XRP. Crazy. Here in the past month, we've seen $161 million, new dollars, come into Ripple from new whales buying either anywhere between 10 million to 100 million XRP. So we'll see what happens. So far, the price action has been pretty stagnant here. XRP sitting at 38 cents. As we can see right here, volume is up over 1 billion here in the last 24 hours. But we know what's coming in terms of the future of XRP. It all hinges on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. But what do these whales know that we don't? A lot of them accumulating right now. Let me know what you think about this down below. Appreciate you guys as always. Stay locked in by subscribing to the channel right here for more crypto content, more XRP content as well.